side. Now, we simply start with a crossbody lead, leading the lady to our left-hand side like that. At the same time, we're going to be turning to the right as a man. 1, 2, 3 now. 5, exchange hand behind the back, and voila. It's just a nice way to get it started. Then, preparation the lady 1/8 to her left for a double turn. When you grab also the other hand, make sure when the double turn comes, you touch the lady's hand, you let go and catch again, so you end up with your left on top. If you don't do that, you're going to end up with something like this. And it's not very comfortable. So make sure you know, or you see, you learn from here, there's a switch with my left, so I come here. Then we execute a simple crossbody lead, but with 1.5 turn. Not until here we give a further 1 with this hand. Okay, so it's like going for the Titanic, adding 1 more turn and we end up here. On the 1, 2, 3, simply just style with the lady, putting the hand over 2, 3, and then slowly 5, turning her. On 6, throw your right hand, turn around to the right, guys, and catch the hand. Very importante that you turn on the right moment. Open back on 1, 2, lift your elbows to the sky, move circular, 6, 7. It's important that you also move, guys. If you stay here and try to take the lady around, she will never make it on time and it would look uncomfortable. So try to sense the lady where she's moving and go opposite of her and catch both hands with your thumb like a sandwich. Okie dokie? Let's do it one time from the beginning. Come on, basic first. 1, 2, 3. Take your partner and do it slow. If you don't have a partner, visualize a partner. You can still keep that sharpness of the social dancing. Preparación into a double turn with the switch of the hand. Now here's that crossbody lead with the extra turn from the Titanic, a further 1. Then 1, 2, 3, opposite now. Nice and slow. Throw fast, turn fast. Open back, bring the lady behind you. She comes out, you grab it both with the left. Go 1, 2, 3, 5. You come in, there's a lot of tension. 6, 7. Now this one is important that you don't start from the side, you start from the down of her left hand. Because then you have all the time to go 1, 2, 3, and you will turn like you're flexing your bicep. 5, you lift up the opposite side. 6, 7, you catch here. Alright, rewind this part and practice it. It's really fun to do. Then we open up into a copa by flexing both hands behind. Let go of the left hand, guys, and turn the lady and catch that hand behind again. Okay, that might be a little bit strange. I'll do it one more time slow. 1, 2, the copa. Let go of the left, slide and catch again. And let's do it from this angle so you see the lady. 1, 2, the copa. I let go of the left and catch again. Okay? Why is this important? Because you need to be balanced for what's coming up next. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The lady now is so used to going forward on 1, 1, 2, 3. But you're not going to do that. You're going to surprise her with a very fast opening. 1, and you see she bends her knee inside. 2, 3. So you get a double preparation. Pakata, pakata. And then you go for a triple turn. Okay? If you can't do the triple, do a double, do a single. Just whatever suits you. Yes, like taking off a band when it's not helpful. Actually, there's one video we did, it was perfect, but we just threw it out because as she was doing the spin, it just flew off her head. Okay, so from here we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Remember, surprise, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now this is not a crossbody lead. This is a basic with a lady's preparation on 5 and turning to the left. It's not very used, but I don't know why. It's a beautiful move. In order to lead this, you simply, instead of going 5, you put some body weight in the resistance here, and the lady understands she has to go back on that way. Wrap her back before she finishes. 1, 2, 3, bring her around you. 5, 6, 7, give her a double turn. So this is like going a crossbody lead with a double turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, she does her double turn, and voila. But we are coming from this position. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. It just looks so much nicer and different. Now we finish our moves with the last 8s. You know the bridge? I was just going to do a single one. 1, 2, 3, only single, da, and she turns. That would be the beginner version. Now, a more advanced version would be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and giving the lady a double turn. Now from here, change hands straight away. Make sure you push the lady diagonally back because she needs to start turning by 2 and 3. So with this right hand, 1, 2, move out of the way, guys. Keep turning her. Now look to your right and give her a turn, then grab her around. I think maybe I did a little bit more, I don't know. But in slow-mo, 1, 2, 1 turn for the lady, second turn for the lady, and voila. It's a little bit fast, but you've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to succeed that. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Straight away down with the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And end up what I like to call a bear hug. Okay? Now some of you might know some steps like this where we go 1, 2, 3 and we stop. But we're not going to stop here. Let me show you in this direction. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. And the lady will be like, what? Let's do that one more time from here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Watch it from this angle. 1, 2, 3. Adjust the hands. Now, first the right hand is most important. 5, you bring her back. Then the left hand, you sandwich the hands. 7 together. You can throw both hands up, turn to your right, touch the lady's belly, just to tell her she's going to do a crossbody lead with the turn. Take a basic, a wave, a crossbody, or whatever you like. I think I'm going to do for you guys, one more time, the whole combination with count. Yes, I like to over-explain. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go together. Cross body lead with the switch of hands. Preparación with a double turn. Cross body lead with a 1.5. Nice and stylish. Ready, throw. Fast and turn. 1, 2 behind. 1, 2 hello. 1, 2 up, yeah. 5, 6 and throw. 1, 2 the reverse copa. 5, 6, 7. Surprise. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You can do a double if you like there, no pressure. Left turn push, grab the back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 like a crossbody with a turn. 1, 2 like a bridge, but with a double turn. Change hands. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. And down with the hand. And 5, 6, 7. Behind 2. Surprise. And all the way. Both hands up. 1, 2. Touch. 5, 6, 7. And basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And that's the whoa. I don't know why I do that voice. I think I remember of Popeye the Sailor Man. Alright guys, this was our new advanced move, intermediate to advanced. I hope you like it. Make sure you comment and rate, share, and always the last message with this hard times. Please be careful, stay at home, and stay healthy. See you in the next video.